Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheater.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is imply I am trying to get our new printer connected to the company network. I am following what it says to do in settings, but when I test a page, nothing happens. Support agent, okay, let's find the problem. I'll need to know the printer MAC address. Employee, my printers, what? I have no idea what you are talking about. What should the agent say next? Oh, I am sorry, how about I give you a step-by-step guide that will navigate you what's needed. My mistake. If you do a quick web search of Mac, it will point you to what I need. Oh, I apologize. Let me walk you through where to find it and what else I will need to help you. The test page will have the MAC address and other information. I will need to get you set up, or let me explain. A MAC address is like the name of the hardware you can use to look the printer up. Customer, I don't know what happened. The app was working fine yesterday. I travel often and need to check in on my house. I am flying out tomorrow and need this to work. What should you say? Your security is important to you, so let's get them back up for you. Can you access the need from our desktop? No, no wonder you are upset. Or the cameras still under warranty? Replacing them would be quick fix. I am sure we can get this resolved. Can you describe the video quality? I am sorry, this is not working for you. It's likely just a missing driver. Downloading the app again will address it. I hate when my devices don't work. I promise we can get this working for you right away. The correct answer of the question: I apologize. Let me walk you through where to find it and what else I will need to help you. This response acknowledges the employee's lack of knowledge about the MAC address and offers assistance by guiding them through the process of finding the necessary information. For the second scenario, I am sorry, this is not working for you. It's likely just a missing driver. Downloading the app again will address it. This response recognizes the customer's frustration, suggests a potential solution, checking for a missing driver, and offers a step the customer can take to resolve the issue. It shows the empathy and provides a practical suggestion to address the problem. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.